No. This is not about checking voltage of a battery. Before the video, I just want to show you my multimeter is working well. Okay. Shall we start to reveal the accuracy of Chinese cheap variable power supply? Stay with SetNFix. Input voltage of this power supply is 220 AC volt. And you can get 1.5 volt to 12 volt DC power supply. The current is 1000 milliamperes and you can have 18 watts. You can select the voltage sliding the switch to relevant voltage position. Okay. Shall we check the output voltage of this variable power supply using multimeter? I selected the voltage as 12 and connected the multimeter. But, the result is as unexpected. The voltage reading is 18.61 instead of 12 volt. It is a huge variation and the change is about 50%. I checked one by one changing the voltage levels of the power supply. I noted that the actual output voltage is not as per the description. Finally, I decided to remove the cover and find the reason for non-accuracy of voltage. I found that the protecting tapes of the transformer was melt and I thought it is the reasons for voltage change. I removed the lamination E-sheets of the transformer and rewound the protective tapes. And replaced the lamination sheets. After everything is done, I checked the voltage. There is no effect with the voltage. The voltage reading is higher than the selected voltage. This is not good for supplying power to electronic equipments. Next video will teach you how to fix this issue with more variable power outs. If you are interested with this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay with SetNFix.